it's time to do my review of PizzeRizzo. Last month, I was on my big secret mission in Disney's Hollywood Studios, and I was hungry. I needed somewhere to eat lunch. I'm not a real big fan of the food, the quick service, especially options in Disney's Hollywood Studios. Just not a lot of options. Now, we've always been big fans of Toy Story Pizza Planet, so I decided I'd go try out PizzeRizzo and see what it was like. You know, dark sunglasses, big trench coat. I had my big old secret mission camera on, and I had my greasy, no, not really. I just, in fact, I probably have one of these shirts on, I think. Anyway, so I go into PizzeRizzo. One of the reasons we always love PizzeRizzo, Toy Story Pizza Planet, the kids love to play the games. I didn't play any of the games. I'm not that kind of dad. No, really. We all love to play the games. Mrs. Mom would play the games. Kids would play the games. We just loved doing the games. The pizza was okay. You know, it's pretty good. But it was fun to go and enjoy the games at Toy Story Pizza Planet. So, in fact, when we heard that Toy Story Pizza Planet was going to close, I sent a text to the family. I said, it's closing. And they all cried. Not really, but, you know, we were all kind of sad when it was closing. But, so I was kind of nervous about going and eating at PizzeRizzo. So when I went in, I noticed, I looked around because that's what I do. That's why I'm dad. I notice things. I noticed it was not changed a whole lot. You know, the billing colors had changed. The tables had changed. The flooring had changed. The ordering area had changed. Well, okay, it changed a little bit. But the big thing was the games were gone. The games were all gone. And that, you know, that made me sad. It really did. It made me sad. So I went up, I ordered. The menu basically is the same as it was at Toy Story Pizza Planet. You have the pizzas, you have the Caesar salad that comes with the pizzas, the drinks. Basically, nothing had really changed on the menus. So I got me a meat lover's pizza because I'm a meat lover. I got me a meat lover's pizza meal and went down, found a seat, sat down, and ate and started eating my lunch. I gotta say, Meat Lover's Pizza, you know, it's good. Their pizzas, those personal pizzas are just pretty good. They're what I like. They got good crust, good sauce, pretty good toppings, and it's a lot of food. It's plenty for one person. In fact, with the salad, two people can share it pretty easily. I gotta say, the Caesar salad, I'm not much on Caesar salads, and this one's kind of bland. Give me a good salad with tomatoes and ranch dressing, and I'd be a lot happier. But it was okay. The price, though, for a meal at Toy Story Pizza Planet is really, really, for a Disney quick service, for as much food as you get, $10.69 for a pizza and salad. That's a good deal for Disney. That is a good deal for a fairly healthy portions. Pretty good deal. Overall, I liked Toy Story Pizza. There I go. Overall, I liked PizzeRizzo. I was sad that the games were gone, but I'd give it a 3 out of 5 on my dad's Disney dish. All right. Oh, when we were talking about this yesterday in our little meeting we had, my assistant Tatiana, she said she went there last year and was trying it out and went up. They'd already ordered. They sat down. She went back to get some water. She said, I need 3 glasses of water. And the counter attendant says, hang on just a minute. I've got to go in the back and get them. So in a couple of minutes, the attendant comes out with 2 cups of water on a tray. And right as she goes to hand them to Tatiana, my assistant, the server trips and throws the water on Tatiana. Tatiana just, it turns out there was confetti in the cups, and it wasn't really water. It was a joke. And what they did was say, waka waka, just like Fozzie Bear would be. It's kind of the stick, and that's the really cool thing about PizzeRizzo is they go with the stick, the Muppets theme and the Muppet stick. But it was pretty cool. They ought to do more of that. That was pretty cool. They had to put Fozzie in there.
Thanks so much for watching Dad's video. For more simple, fun, magic Walt Disney World information, go to Dad's Guide to WDW.com. You can do that by clicking the I button that's popping up on the screen right now. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and get more Dad's YouTube videos with Daditude.